I will never leave you nor forsake you. The Lord is with the righteous forever, and He will protect them from all evil. When He knocks, but no. And the angel of the Lord encamps around those who fear Him, and He delivers them. Fear not, for the Creator of the world will be your helper and your shield. Jubilees 12 verse 19. Captives of my people, and they shall rebuild the waste cities. Amos 9 verse 14. Provision and the natural law, and my God shall supply all you need according to His riches in glory. Philippians 4 verse 19. The earth shall yield its fruit, and the heavens shall give their due, for the blessing of the elect. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Isaiah 54 verse 17. For I have seen the tears of my people, and I will be their salvation in the day of trouble. Gather Seer 1 verse 12. And hidden revelation, call to me, and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things. Jeremiah 33 verse 3. To the righteous He will give wisdom, and they shall all live and never again sin through forgetfulness. The secret things belong to the Lord, but the revealed things belong to us. Deuteronomy 29 verse 20.